Hey YouTubers, today we've got this lovely Saab 9.3 in. It's a nice old model, really good nick. Doing a little service on it. There's also a drivability fault which I'll go into another video. But this video I'm just going to show you where you can find the pollen filter if you need to change one on yours. So this left-hand drive car, and we need the right-hand side. Take the weather strip off and pull the plastic gingerly from the front. You should hopefully be able to just get in here without removing the wiper blade. We have a little plastic there. I'll show you where I'm at. So we've taken this out. Lift up the plastic here, and here's where you want to get to. That's your pollen filter. There we go, there's your pollen filter. Lift that plastic clip up, and there's another plastic clip here which needs to come up. Can't get the camera in at the minute, and it's being a bit stubborn. Let's just see if we can pull it out this way. Well, that has not been changed for quite some time. Saab pollen filter. Airflow towards the car. Right, let's have a little go at this plastic clip this side, just make my life easier. I think I've got a screwdriver just to give it a helping hand. There. So that plastic clip here is up now. Just got, there's a little tank, so just got this little screwdriver behind it. Got a new filter going. Here's a new filter, remember airflow towards the car. Two plastic clips. Slide this back in. Put the right angle. Get it this way. There. And I'd probably recommend that you take the wiper out, but if you're careful, I'd imagine there should be a little plastic clip in there. Well, that's the pollen filter changed. I hope you like that very short video. Just changing the pollen filter. Might do it as a short, or might just do it as a quick video on my channel. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, like, hit the bell to get notified of new videos as and when they come out. And any comments or questions, please feel free to leave in the box below. Thanks for watching.